Hello, folks. This is Kurt Gambier from Centennial Capital Partners with our November 2014 educational update. In this month's video, we'll be discussing some of the economic events that occurred last month and give you some insight into what they may mean for you as an investor. Now, please stay tuned at the end for those important required disclosure statements. Well, after January, October, November was a solid month for the markets. Solid domestic indicators and big moves by the central banks in Europe and China help to reassure investors that future growth is possible. Now let's take a look at what happened last month. The Bureau of Economic Analysis released its second estimate of third quarter economic growth, and we discovered that the economy accelerated to a 3.9% growth rate. Though we don't know whether or not the pace of growth continued in the fourth quarter, it's still reassuring and a reminder that the economy continues to do well. The BEA updates their GDP reports as more economic data comes in, making each one more accurate, and we'll be getting more updated information about the third quarter growth in upcoming weeks. The labor market continues to make major strides. Total non-farm employment increased significantly in November, though the unemployment rate stayed at 5.8%. More importantly, the quality of available jobs continue to improve. Since the labor market is a major engine of economic growth, we hope that job gains will spur growth in other areas of the economy. An important gauge of consumer sentiment surged last month, climbing to the highest level seen in 7 years. Americans are feeling much better about their financial prospects. This is great for the retail sector because it may mean the Americans are ready to open their wallets and spend more. Speaking of spending, the holiday shopping season officially started during the last week of November with the Black Friday sales. Early reports of the spending over Thanksgiving weekend unexpectedly dropped 12% over last year. While the results are puzzling, some consumer fundamentals are better, and historical trends show that Black Friday sales actually reveal very little about the overall holiday shopping season is going to go. The good news is that we still have plenty of room for great retail season. Although it looks like domestic fundamentals are in good shape, the labor market is improving. Consumers are feeling optimistic, and the recent drop in gas prices is putting more money in the pockets of the consumer. On the other hand, slowing global growth is making companies uncertain about their prospects in the coming months, potentially making them less willing to spend. While we're hopeful that a solid finish to the year, it's wise to prepare for some turbulence along the way. As always, I'll keep you informed. Well, that's it for the November economic update. And if you have any questions or concerns, please give our office a call at 303-584-1161. Now, here are some of the other things that are coming. My book is out, and you should be seeing it soon, and we look forward to getting that to you. Thank you for your patience on that. Well, that's it. I'm signing off from November 2014. If you have any questions or about anything you've heard here, please call me or your personal financial advisor, and be more than happy to talk to you. And as always, remember to live large, laugh often, and love life, and pay it forward if you can. Now for those disclosures. While we believe this information in this report is reliable, we cannot guarantee its accuracy. Opinions expressed are subject to change without notice and are not intended as an investment advice or solicitation for the purchase or sale of any security. Please consult your financial professional before making any investment decisions. Securities are offered through Cambridge Investment Research, a broker-dealer, member FINRA SIPC, investment advisor representative, Cambridge Investment Research, Inc., a registered investment advisor. Cambridge and Centennial Capital Partners are not affiliated. Well, that's it. Thank you, and have a great holiday.